Hands up, now hands down. Back up, tell me what you gonna do now.
Come on.
Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Limp, Bizkit is right here. People in the house, put them hands in the air. Cause if you don't care, then we don't care. See, I ain't giving a fuck. Quit pressing your luck. Untouchable, friend and unfuckable. So keep me in this cage until you run out mouth. Then I'ma have to play and break the fuck out. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
Check mine, dangerous, slang, atrocious. When I let these nuts hang, focus, it's Wu-Tang. What the fuck's a hootie and the blowfish? I wave my black flag at the roaches who approaches these twin super soakers who have wilderness darts for cover. Too late to get your blowgun unholstered. Your left butted up and lightly toasted. So what? I drink and smoke too much. So what? I cut too much.
Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
Y'all thought y'all wasn't gonna see me?
Now when we roll, you motherfuckers tucking your gold. Cause for the platinum, I'm jacking niggas up in limos. It ain't nothing. For bullets to unbutton your clothes. Description, yellow male, tissue up in his nose. Anyone can match me, I crack them all to Guinness. Fuck how many thugs, the players and ballers in it. Brick City, Shaolin, better call it sinners. Boys that'll run up in your white mall and spill it.
Mess with Limp Bizkit. We mess with Limp Bizkit. Why? Because we get it on every day and every night. It's platinum thing right here, but we're doing it all the time. You better get some better beats and get some better rhymes. And if you really, really wanna get shit started, there's people everywhere, just get retarded. Get retarded, get retarded. People everywhere, just get retarded. I'm moving, now move out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, tell me what you gonna do now. I breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 That's right, baby. Watch out, boy. Limp Bizkit. Be a man. That man. That man. It's me.
It just don't get no darker than that kid with the park. Hard head with the boots and shoes to make it spark. Now I'm a fair nigga, but ain't there nigga. Quicker than the hair trigger. So if you dare nigga, it'll be like your man trying to hold your weight in your head. But you'll be shitting on yourself cause you already did it. And at the funeral you won't need a casket. Leave me just enough for them to stuff for the basket. Let's just get the casket. And when you need my ass kicked, my mom never let me forget that I'm a bastard. I ain't never been shit, and it don't be shit. That's why I take shit whenever I see shit. It's just that D shit. D short for do what I wanna do, and that's what I'm gonna do. Right here in front of you, and I'll be running you and your man straight up out. Yeah, niggas ain't running a fucking thing but your mouth.